Happy Friday, Classroom 3. Today we are doing activities under June 12th for ELA, Social and Emotional. You are going to do the calm down place. You can create a cozy place with few pillows, soft blanket, and stuffed animals or two for children to go when they need some privacy and need to process their feelings. Practice taking calming breaths, counting to 10, or hugging something soft to help calm down and relax. So this is something we usually do. We have a cozy place in the classroom where children, if they want to be by themselves and need to calm down, we use this cozy place, and is another strategy to help cope with their feelings. So you could practice doing this at home, just giving them a little cozy place so when they upset or want to be alone. They know how to cope with those feelings by going to the cozy place, holding, teaching them how to take breaths and counting to help calm them down and relax them. So this is another strategy to help manage their feelings, help them cope with managing their feelings. For math, it's how big around. We did this activity before, but again, you could use a ribbon, yarn, or string to measure the distance around an object. Begin by measuring your heads and comparing the different lengths. Find other interesting objects around the house to measure and compare. So you could get ribbon, yarn, or string, measure your head. You could compare your head with your child head and see, have the child see who have the bigger head. Um, if you don't have yarn, you could maybe use measuring tape. If you have measuring tape at home, and you just measure things on their body, and then you measure objects around the house that match, or it could be smaller or bigger or the same size of the body parts. Now, for science and social studies, you're going to do musical order. You collect glass jars, cups, or bottles. Use measuring cups to fill with different amounts of water. Tap on the glass with a spoon to investigate the different sounds they hear. So if you have a glass jar, just fill it up with water with different amounts, and then you tap on it to hear the sounds, the different sounds of how much water is in the jar, the cup, or the bottle, and see how the sounds are different. And for physical education, you are going to do the freeze dancing, play different types of music with different rhymes and dance. Talk about how different music can make us feel different emotions. Randomly stop the music and freeze like a statue. So what you do, you play a music, and when you stop the music, the child know they have to freeze. So that is for physical. So it's almost like musical chairs, except for you just stop dancing. You have to freeze like a statue. So you stop the music, you play the music, then you stop, and the child freezes. For physical education, and that's it for today. Here we go in Spanish. And that will be it for today.